All right, boys and girls, welcome to Ovation Guitar. Beautiful, beautiful song here from Alex Stewart in collab with Lawrence Spencer Smith, two great voices, and they do Friends Don't. That's a great title, great song. And this song is piano based, so we're gonna teach just simple downs. That is very easy to handle the chords. The challenging part are all the chords, okay? So we have a couple chords to go over. No need for capo. Let's do this together and start with the run through here. We're gonna start with the E minor 7. Okay, so that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, third B, and open E. Okay, that's E minor 7. Next is the B sus4, which is a bar chord. So you place index finger on the second fret, you push down 5 strings, all strings except from the last E string in the bass, and then you need to add the 4th fret D string and 4th G. That's the B sus4. We have the D sus4 now. So that goes open D, second G, third B, and third E. Then we have the D, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. That's the only difference there, from third to second. And then we have the D sus2, and the thing you do here is just to take away the second E and make that open. Everything else is the same. So open D, second G, third B, and open E. Then we have the A sus4. That will be open A, second D, second G, third B, and open E. Then we have the A, so you just tuck in the third B to second B instead. So that will be open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Then we move on with the G, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then we have an A, but with this G in the bass. Okay, so what you do here is to place a short little bar on the second fret. You push down the D, G, B, and E, so like this. And then you also incorporate the 3rd fret E string, but also the open A. Okay, that's the A G chord. And then finally we have the B minor. Okay, so imagine the B sus we learned before, and then you just add on the 3rd fret B string. And there you have the B minor. And you have all the chords right there. So let's do this together. Let's start with this song. And as I told you before, we have only downs to work with. So we're gonna start the verse with E minor 7, 4 downs. Then B sus4, 4 downs. Then the D sus, 2 downs. And then you shift to D, 1 down. And then you go to the D sus2, 1 down. And then comes the A sus4 for 2 downs. And then A, 2 downs. There you have 1 round. Okay, you're gonna play 2 rounds of that. And some technical stuff here. When you do the D sus4, I play the index on 2nd fret G string, and then I use my ring finger on 3rd B and my little pinky on 3rd E. So in that way I can just release that pinky like this and put my mid finger on the 2nd fret E string, all right? Because that is the only difference here. So we have this action here. That is the easiest way to handle these chords, okay? And transitions, and yes, that's that, okay? So 2 rounds of that chord, and that's the first verse into the first and only pre-chorus at 42 seconds in. You can call it and so on. That's where we're in the lyrics. You're gonna play G now for 4 rounds. And this A G chord, 3 downs plus a pause, and that pause leads up to the chorus that comes right after. That's it, all right? So G4, A G, 3 plus a pause. Then comes the chorus, and we're now about 48 seconds in, but friends don't. We have the title there. And you're going to play E minor, 2 rounds, B minor, 2 downs, D, 2 downs, and A, 2 downs. And you're going to run that chord progression of these 4 chords for 4 rounds. So that's 1 round. E minor, B minor, D, A. 2 rounds play there. You're going to double up for 4 rounds, and that is your first chorus. Then comes an instrumental part, 1 minute and 15 seconds in. And this will be something you're going to end this song with also, the outro. I played this melody here. We're going to learn now in the introduction of the tutorial. So that is how it sounds if you want to listen to it. We're going to now start with some melody. Okay, so we're going to play this. Okay, so pretty simple. You're gonna play open E string in the bass together with open B, and then you play the 3rd B, and you can keep that 3rd B there, all right, for the rest of this melody. So then you're gonna play 2nd fret A string together with open high E, then 3rd B, then open high E, back to 3rd B. Then you're gonna play open D together with 2nd high E, then open high E, 2nd high E, open high E, and then finally gonna play open A together with open E, 3rd B, open high E, and 3rd B. There you have 1 round. Okay, so you're gonna play this for only 1 round here in this instrumental part. So together it goes like this. And now into the 2nd round. So 2nd verse, play exactly in the same way as we just learned the 1st verse. No changes there. Then we don't have any 2nd pre-chorus. You're going to jump right into the chorus there. And you're going to play that exactly in the same way as we learned the 1st chorus. 4 rounds of E minor, B minor, D, and A. And after that comes the 2nd instrumental part. Yes, it's played again, this melody. And you play now for 2 rounds. Okay? And then comes a bridge part at 2 minutes and 25 seconds in. And what you're going to play here is E minor, 2 downs. And then comes B minor, 2 downs. Then D, 2 downs. And then A, 2 downs. That's the first half of it. And then second half goes E minor 2, B minor 2, and then A, 3. Plus a pause. Okay, and that is the bridge part. Then we hit the final stages of the song. We're gonna now go into the final chorus, played exactly in the same way as the previous choruses. 4 rounds of that E minor, B minor, D, and A. And then you're gonna finish off with the outro, which is played in the same way as we played the instrumental parts. This melody you play for 2 rounds. And guess what, guys? You handled Stewart's and Spencer Smith's Friends Don't. All right. So great song. You know, like I said, it's a piano based, but fits guitar good as well. So you can just play these chords, simple, focus on the shifts where you have the focus there in the challenge, and just go through this. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. I hope to get something back from you. So please, if you like this tutorial, show me that, give me a like, subscribe to this channel, give me a comment on what I could do better or what you liked. And yes, hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.